You ever wonder why your power tools act sluggish or even fail in the freezing cold? It's often not the tool, but the hidden culprit, your cables. See, when temperatures drop, some cables get stiff, brittle, and crack, cutting off the power you need right when you need it most. But here's the good news, not all cables fail in the cold. If you choose the right type, your projects can run smoothly all winter long. Here are my top picks for cold weather cables. XLPE stays flexible down to -40°C, great for outdoor lighting and power tools. USE-2, built tough for extreme weather and UV resistance, perfect for permanent outdoor runs. Also, don't forget the gauge. The thicker the wire, the better it carries current in freezing temps. Match the gauge to your amperage needs. Don't let cold weather kill your power. Choose the right cable and keep your projects running strong no matter how low the mercury drops.